So, coach, you were just telling us about React and how it is something that is really important to know and something that will help you in your professional journey. So, could you tell us
Sure.
how a fresher could start learning React and how useful it is for them in the current workspace environment to know this programming language?
Yeah, sure. So the first thing that becomes important is like the data structures and algorithms. So that cannot be ruled out. The basic of everything is data structures and algorithm. So I'll just tell you why it is important. So during my training days, I got a project where I had to make an e-commerce website. So there was a basically like due to my inappropriate data structures, I made a bug in that. The bug was that how many times I apply the voucher, it was getting applied. So basically, if it is a 2000 rupees cart, it would go to eventually to zero. So that these small bugs and error in data structures and algorithms can make up a larger differences if seen at a scaled environment. So apart from that, if you ask me React, so basically, as I said, everything the basis is like JavaScript. So apart from the data structures and algorithm, we need to go through JavaScript deeply. So even now, if I give interviews, I quite often give interviews. So in those, like the most important thing that they ask is not React first. They like judge me by my JavaScript. So they assume if I know JavaScript well, then I must be knowing React well. So JavaScript, it is having that dependency. So if you know JavaScript, I don't think React is it is very easy then.